Creating a dashboard in Azure DevOps allows you to visually organize and monitor your projects, work items, builds, and deployments in one central location. Sign in. Log into your Azure DevOps account at dev.azure.com. Create a new dashboard. Open Project. Navigate to your project and click on Boards from the left-hand menu. Access Dashboards. In the Board section, click on Dashboards in the left-hand menu. Create new dashboard. Click plus new dashboard to create a new dashboard. Customize the dashboard. Choose a layout. You can choose from different dashboard layouts like grid, waterfall, or timeline views to display information. Add widgets. Click plus add widget to add different types of visual components like charts, reports, work item lists, or pipeline status. Configure widgets. Select the type of widget, configure it by filtering data, and apply relevant settings. Save and share dashboard. Name and save. Give your dashboard a name and click Save to finalize your changes. Share. If needed, you can share the dashboard with team members by providing them access through permissions. Monitor and update. Monitor. The dashboard will provide real-time insights into project metrics, builds, deployments, and other related tasks. Update. Periodically update widgets and dashboards to ensure they reflect the most recent project data.